Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here. And today, we are going to be unboxing a little package that I got from the WalletCoin.Store. The WalletCoin.Store. What is that? Who knows? We'll check it out right now. Stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Once again, Johnny Switchblade here. And today, we're going to be checking out the WalletCoin.Store, guys. So, let's get right into it. So, we're going to pull up their website here so you can just check out what they actually are all about. I actually found this place on Twitter. So, they have this really cool coin. Super awesome Dogecoin that actually it acts as a hard wallet. So let's check this out. WalletCoin NFC enabled collectible crypto wallet coins can be used as offline storage for text information like cryptocurrency, wallet addresses, seed phrases, passwords, etc. Can also be programmed as a shortcut to access crypto applications with most NFC enabled smartphones. So that is super cool. And the design is actually super cool as well. I'll go ahead and zoom in here. Apparently this is the version 1 right here that you're looking at. I ordered the version 2. This one right here. So we're going to be opening that in just a second. I just want to go through their little website a little bit more so you can check them out. Visit their website. It's actually super cool. Oh no. Let's see here. Series 1 sold out. Okay, yeah. Series 2 is now shipping. When I ordered, so it says here they only minted 150 of them. So when I ordered, it actually took me about 2 weeks? 2 weeks maybe? Before they actually shipped it out. Let's go ahead and click on the store here. Okay, so there's the Dogecoin wallet number 1. 50 bucks. Looks pretty cool. And then here's a limited release Dogecoin Series 2 hard wallet. I'll go ahead and click on the first one for you guys so you guys can check that out. I think it looks pretty cool. Comes with a little nifty blue velvet case there. Ooh, that's a close-up, so we're going to check that out in a second. I've been waiting for this for a while now, so pretty stoked. Really stoked about it. Let's go back. Go ahead and show you the one that I got here. There's not very many. There's only 121 left, so go get one of these guys. They're super cool. There's the U.S. patent number on the back, and then it actually has the number of coin you have. So I wonder what number I got. Alright, so here's all the little product details. If you want to check that out, you can go ahead and go on their website and check it out, or you can slow down this video. And so what I did was I placed my order, and then they sent me an email with information and everything like that. And then they weren't done yet, I guess, so it took me a while. It took them a while to send over my actual confirmation saying that it shipped out. So when they finally did, oh, before that, I actually had to click on some link after I, oh yeah, right here. So get sign-in link and put in your email address. So in order to track, what I did was I put in my email address and then I put get sign-in link, and when I was finally able to sign in, then I was able to track everything. So it's a very simple website, not very elaborate at all, but the product is actually super cool, so that's why I got it. So let's get right to it, guys. Let's check it out. I'll go ahead and put this down. Let's check out the actual package. Really thick packaging. padded envelope. This thing is protected. It's actually in a box as well. Ooh. Check that out, guys. Oh. Lunar delivery capsule. That's pretty cool. Nice little quality box. There's a little security sticker. There you go, if it's going to focus. $001629. Alright. Let's open this thing right up. How to use your coin. So there's a little QR code right here. Tells you how to use your coin. There's a little black velvety pouch that it comes in that you see in the pictures. WalletCoin.Store Dogecoin on the literal moon. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool packaging. I mean, they took their time. That was nice. Let's see the actual coin. Oh, look at that thing. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Oh wow, it has some nice weight to it too. Look at that thing. That's awesome. That is really cool. There's the back side. Guess that's the little hardware side where they program it. I'm going to show you guys in comparison to a regular Dogecoin. And let's see here. It's actually a tiny bit bigger. So if you have one of these Dogecoins, you can check it out. It's a tiny bit bigger than that. And it's heavier. Has some nice weight to it. Man, this thing is really cool. I'm really, really happy with this purchase. $60 for a hard wallet. I am number 120 of 150 on the literal moon. If you guys can see that, let me see if I can focus it. Can't really see it. But I will take some photos of this thing and I will post it up on my Twitter and my Instagram. If you don't follow me there. Pretty much tweet every single day. Here's the little US patent number on the side. You can't really see it. Come on, right here. Too reflective. But check that thing out. That's awesome. So, I'm going to go ahead and use the QR code. See what that does. Alright, let's try to program this thing. Okay, there's the QR code. Hopefully everything's still recording. How to use your coin. So let's go ahead and just watch this video. What the? What the? Matt Wallace? What is he doing here? Did not expect that. Well, I guess you can just go watch Matt Wallace's video if you want to know how this thing works. Cool. Go watch that video. I'll try to place a link below so you can go check that out. It's only a minute, couple minutes, like 2 minutes. So, yeah. I don't want to get any YouTube strikes or anything like that, so I'm going to go ahead and stop that video. But yeah, go check it out. Matt Wallace is actually promoting this thing too, so pretty cool. Anyways, I'm not going to look at all that stuff right now. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Once again, there's still a giveaway going on. We are giving away, at 500 followers, the Google Nest Mini. So go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, do all that stuff that YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time, guys. Peace.